guys, my name is Nalene and welcome to my first vlog. I'll be sharing with you my life here in Czech Republic. So, as you all know, I'm working here for almost 5 years now. Okay, so unang-una kong i-share, ano ba yung dapat i-expect nyo dito sa Czech? Actually, Czech Republic is a small country. So, it's located in the Central Europe. It's in the heart of Europe. So, kasi nandun siya sa gitna. That's why napapalibutan siya ng iba't ibang European countries. So, basically, Czech is part of Schengen. Yan, yung European Union network. So, or part of EU. So, we are under, Czech Republic is under Schengen visa. Yan. 5 years. Ang masasabi ko, ang dami ko talagang realizations and ang dami kong experience na yung iba nakaka-shock, yung iba nakakatuwa, yung iba naman nakaka-amaze, and marami pang iba. So, I wanna share with you my life here. That's why I'm trying to make this vlog for the awareness of our kababayan and para na din dun sa mga gustong magpunta dito sa Czech Republic. So, yon. Sana supportahan niyo yung vlog ko and sana wag kayong magsawang manood. And ayun, kung may mga tanong kayo, just comment down below and or you can message me and try to reach my pages, my TikTok, my Instagram. And yes, so I'll be sharing with you my life experiences here in Czech. So sorry sa aso ko ang ingay. Ang ingay ni Frosty, take 2! Ano pa guys, so Czech Republic, actually the population of Czech Republic is just 11 million. So imagine, 11 million lang po ang population ng Czech. So hindi siya ganun kadami. That's why in this country, it's not a dense, it's not populated, except in Prague, kasi Prague is the tourist capital of Czech. So, doon talaga ang daming tao. And most of people there in Prague, nag-English sila. But on the other part of Czech, ang kanilang sinasalita talaga ay Czech. So, madalang yung actually language. For me, one of the challenges that I've encountered in this country is the language barrier because most of the people here don't speak English. Yes. Except nga dun sa mga part na maraming tourists, yan. Expect nyo may mga nag-English doon. But in the parts that were like provinces, yung mga malalayo na talagang villages, hindi sila masyadong nag-English. So, yon, you have to adapt with that and you have to actually somehow learn their language because it will help you communicate with them. So, ayun. Ano pa ba? And i-share ko lang din sa inyo guys, dito sa Czech, most of the work here in Czech Republic are yung mga OFWs no, na nagpupunta dito ay talagang mga skilled workers sila. Most of them are working in the factories, yan, in the automotive, CNC, yan, mga skilled worker po ang nandito sa Czech Republic, guys. Yan, so, yan, check nyo kung gusto nyo makahanap ng work, going to Czech Republic, they're opening different jobs now. So, kailangan nyo lang humanap ng legit agency. So, ayun. Dun sa mga agency, I don't know kung ano-ano yung mga legit agency. But, I think meron akong isang nare-remember, yung Great Care, if you know. Ayun. Nag-hire sila ng agency yun dito sa Czech Republic, but I don't know the counterpart in the Philippines. So, check nyo yung Facebook nila. Nag-hire sila ng mga skilled worker from Philippines going to Czech Republic. So, ayun. Ano pa ba ang i-share ko? Ayun. Yun lang muna kasi wala pa naman akong ibang naiisip. Pero kung meron kayong tanong na gusto nyong pag-usapan, comment down below. Para sa next vlog ko, yun naman yung i-share and i-discuss ko sa inyo. Bye guys! Thank you for watching!